Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I am a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and this is one of our very fortunate team members, Skyler. And I thought we would ask him a little bit about ZYN and how ZYN has helped him or not helped him. He's had some experience about it. So what is your experience with ZYN? I think you were telling me that you really felt it was helpful.
It's been hugely helpful for me, honestly. I have been vaping on and off for about 6 years now, and it really just became a habit. It became a part of my daily life, and I started seeing ZYN on social media quite a bit, and a lot of influencers were using it. I started seeing it out and about in public as well, so I decided to give it a shot. And in the beginning, it didn't really feel as strong or as potent as the vape, but over time I was getting a lot of the same benefits that I felt from smoking the vape with the ZYN as well.
You were saying some other benefits as far as your skin and...
Oh yeah.
Did you notice some other things happening once you stopped vaping?
For sure. So I was vaping daily, and I was noticing that it was having an impact on my throat. I was getting a lot of phlegm and just kind of undesirable conditions in my throat and in my gums a little bit, and also my skin, my hair. I was getting acne breakouts more frequently, and I didn't really even notice it until after I had quit vaping, and all those things started to improve for me.
You did say you noticed after a while a little bit of irritation of your gum tissue in certain areas.
For sure. With the ZYN, you put it right on your gum tissue, and if you leave it there for a long period of time, it can kind of start to irritate the tissue a bit. And I noticed that in one area that I always would frequently put it in, that it did have some redness, irritation, and kind of like a little flakiness. I had Dr. Nemeth look at it one day when I came to the office, and he said, yeah, I noticed that a little bit, but it's by far and wide it's made me feel way better than I felt when I was vaping.
So once again, I'm not advocating ZYN, but I'm certainly not advocating vaping. So it's like smoking and vaping. Vaping is safer than smoking. It may well be that ZYN is less harmful than vaping. Also, apparently it does not have to have a cancer warning, because although it does come from nicotine, it's not from tobacco, so it doesn't require the same kind of cancer warning that a tobacco product does have to have.
Yeah, and it's actually a nicotine salt, which is made in the lab, which is a little bit, made me hesitant when I was first buying it, but there's actually no tobacco in this whatsoever. It's just nicotine straight up generated in a lab. Admittedly, there's no long-term studies about this, just like there's no long-term studies about vaping, so it's really hard to tell what kind of long-term effect it's going to have. But I can tell you from my own personal experience and from a lot of my friends that have also been able to quit vaping by using this, it's made a huge impact on my life, on my daily life. And then I can also replace this with gum. So if maybe I'm doing 3 or 4 of these pouches a day, I can cut that in half and actually just chew a piece of gum as a sort of an oral replacement.
And apparently you can also get a different form of ZYN and a different name, up to 15 milligrams. And you told me you tried the 15 milligram and it what?
It was burning. It lasted a really long time. It was, the juices were way more intense. And I mean, for people who aren't used to this, it can kind of be a little bit much at first. And with that 15 milligram one, man, I couldn't keep it in for more than like 10, 15 minutes. And it was very strong. It was very strong. I found that 6 is the perfect one for me, and I found that gum is a good replacement on top of that.
So I tried ZYN once. Did not agree with me. Okay, I didn't feel good afterward. But I'm 117 years old, not quite. But it affects me differently. But I did go into a gas station recently. I said, do you carry ZYN? And I looked up, and the entire back wall was covered with ZYN and different strengths of ZYN. So apparently it's becoming very popular. And once again, perhaps it's better than vaping because you're not inhaling the nicotine and it doesn't come from tobacco. As a periodontist, the one comment I might have is watch your gum tissue, because as Skyler said, it could be irritating, and if you put it in the same place and you're using it regularly, it can actually irritate your gum tissue and possibly even cause some recession. So be careful of that. ZYN has its advantages and disadvantages.
There's tons of other products. ZYN is just one brand, but there's a bunch of other companies that have hopped on board and they've started making the same product. The oral nicotine pouches is the name for it, and other people know it as snus. It was very popular in Sweden for a long time, and I have seen it grow like exponentially in the United States amongst my friends and people that I know that are just starting to use it instead of smoking cigarettes or vaping, and it's been really helpful for them.
You said it does something for your brain. It sort of helps you sharpen up, or
Oh yeah, it gives me a nice boost in focus. It's pretty immediate and it lasts for about half an hour to an hour, which can probably contribute to the addictiveness of it a little bit as well, because when you get that focus and that attention boost, it's, you know, when you're not using it, you could feel a little dull. So there's that.
So as I've said before, if you have an addictive disorder, ZYN is not for you, but I don't think that's going to keep a lot of people away from it anyway, really.
Nope.
At any rate, that's the latest on ZYN. Please, we'd love your comments, questions, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to hear from you, and thank you so much, Skyler.
Thank
I
you.
think it was very, very informative.
Yes, and if any of you are watching and you've had an experience with ZYN, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you have to say about it.
Healthy mouth, healthier body. Have a good day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.